Hello everybody, and thank you for joining me today. I have a new junk journal to show you today. It's also going to be up on sale on my Etsy store, so if you're interested, it is there. And I'm sure, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but my videos are really, it seems like they're getting shorter and shorter. And I'll tell you why, because I purchased a little trailer home in January, and it doesn't have central air. It uses those window ACs, and they're really super loud. It's basically like having a train running through my room every day, all day. So I turn it off so that I can record the video. I've been noticing that my videos have been getting shorter and shorter because I'm trying to get through the video so that I can turn the AC back on because it's hot. So I thought I would explain myself. And this is a really pretty vintage postcard on here. And I do have some new mystery boxes out in my store. If you were waiting for the lace mystery box, it is up on my shop. I'm going to show you at the end what it looks like. I also have a mystery box of these vintage photos that I print out on photo paper. So it's glossy photo paper. So there's a mystery box for those. And I call them faux vintage photos because they're not really, you know, vintage because I printed them out like the other day. But you get an option to buy those glossy if you wanted that. I need to make more of these. I got this, I did this when I first got my sewing machine, and I know I could do better. So I think I'm gonna make some more of those. Oh, that's also why I haven't gone live this year, is because these ACs are really loud. It's just literally impossible to go live. It's just impossible. It's too loud, and when I turn them off, it gets hot quickly because it's like, I don't know, 110 degrees outside. But I'm still trying to get my videos out. I know I didn't get one out last week, so my bad about that. I've been busy getting these mystery boxes together, and then my husband is on his way home. He'll be home tomorrow at midnight, Monday midnight. Somebody, I believe, asked me in the last video if he was on like I gotta put something in here. If he was like in a tour for the military. No, he's not. He went on tour with his music buddies, and they went all over the country. And so he was gone for 45 days, and now he's gonna be on his way back really, really soon, tomorrow, midnight. So I've been feeling all sorts of funky without him, but he's gonna be back, and I'm gonna be back on my usual schedule of the one video per week. I really haven't been doing much with my succulents because it's so hot, so I just water them once a week. So there's really no updates on my succulents. Except I have been getting some new ones, but I just pot them up and put them out because it's so hot outside. I don't even want to deal with it. And these are some cardstock pieces that I sewed on and made a little collage there. I really enjoyed doing this. I'll probably make more. I have a bunch of cardstock, so why not? And here's a botanical picture and some die cuts. And I still also have the die cuts that you can make these collages. Sorry, I didn't mean to kick the camera. Whoops. I kicked the camera. Okay. Okay, now we're back. So, so I still do have the mystery boxes that you guys can purchase to make these collages as well. And if you guys do check out my store for the printables, please remember that I can print out your picture. I can print out your order, I should say. So there is an option for me to print out your order if you do not have a printer, if you don't like your printer. Some people just don't like their printer. And so yeah. I'm going to be having a new mystery box that I did post up for sale. It is for the flower die cuts. So what was I gonna say? So like these floral die cuts. I made a bunch, and I don't know, I printed it on high quality, but not the highest quality on my printer. And it's not really noticeable, but it bugs me, and I don't feel right. I wouldn't feel right selling them at full price. So I'm going to be discounting them because they have like teeny tiny little scan lines, just like little white lines in between the print. And so I didn't feel right about selling those at full price. So my loss is your gain. From far away, you can't see those scan lines. So you do have the option to purchase those. That way you can make the collages just like mine here. And this is a junk journal number 19, and it'll be in my store right after I post this video. And I wanted to show you guys those flowers and what I mean. So these are some of those die cut flowers. And I don't know if it'll catch it on camera, but I know I took a picture of it very well. And basically it has little teeny tiny scan lines. And like I said, you can't really even tell, but it does bug me enough to not sell these at full price. This one might be more evident on this one. Maybe you can see the scan lines. I can't tell on my camera, but there's little tiny scan lines. And like I said, I posted them on my Etsy store, and there's pictures, and you can see the scan lines, and you can decide if you like them or not. But here they are from far away, and you can't tell. It just bugs me, and I don't feel right about selling them at full price. So you get 50 of these floral die cuts for $12.95, shipping included. And then I also have my lace mystery box, which consists of 50 feet of the lace I bought from Mexico, and this is one of the mystery boxes that's going to go out. So you get about minimum 20 different laces. I bought so much lace, and I just can't. I don't think I'm going to do anything with it, so might as well sell it in these mystery boxes. So you get 50 feet for $12.95, shipping US included. And then also I wanted to show you this other mystery box with the photos. So basically they're vintage photos printed on glossy paper. They are not vintage photographs because I printed them out the other day, but they are vintage photos, and they measure about 5.5 inches by about 4. So they're a little bit small, but they're really cute in junk journals because they're tiny, and everything tiny is so cute. So you get 24 of these pictures also for $12.95, shipping included. So thank you guys for checking that out. Thank you guys for just checking out my videos, if that's all you have time for. Totally cool. I appreciate it. And please subscribe. At the next milestone I'm looking to hit is 5,000 subscribers, if I'm not, yeah, 5,000 subscribers, and I'll give away another junk journal. So thank you guys for joining me today, and I again appreciate your time.
Boo-boo! Like all the lace, boo-boo? You love it, boo-boo? You don't like it.